Is 2025 a glimpse into the future? The world watched in awe as the Consumer Electronics Show 2025 unfolded. Each year, CES unveils the future of technology. This year was no exception. The advancements in artificial intelligence were astounding. CES 2025 showcased a world reshaped by AI. From education to entertainment, AI's impact was evident. The possibilities seemed endless. AI was the dominant theme at CES 2025. It permeated every facet of the event. Companies large and small unveiled their latest AI innovations. These technologies promised to revolutionize our lives. The sheer scope of AI's reach was staggering. It was clear that AI is not just a futuristic fantasy. It is rapidly becoming an integral part of our present and future. One of the most exciting developments was in education. AI-powered platforms offered hyper-personalized learning experiences. These platforms can adapt to each student's unique needs and learning styles. Imagine a world where every student has a personalized tutor. This tutor can understand their strengths and weaknesses. It can guide them on a tailored learning journey. This is the promise of AI in education. Healthcare also received a significant boost from AI. Wearable devices can now track a wide range of health metrics. This data is analyzed by sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms can detect early signs of potential health issues. This proactive approach to healthcare empowers individuals. They can take control of their health. Early detection can lead to more effective treatments. This promises a future of healthier and longer lives. The entertainment industry is not immune to the AI revolution. From the way we discover new shows to the immersive experiences we enjoy, AI is reshaping our home entertainment landscape in ways we could have only dreamed of a few years ago. AI is transforming how we consume entertainment. Gone are the days of endlessly scrolling through channels or streaming services. Now, AI algorithms analyze our viewing habits, preferences, and even our moods to suggest content that we are most likely to enjoy. Streaming services now offer highly personalized recommendations. These AI-driven suggestions are not just based on what we have watched before, but also on what similar viewers have enjoyed, creating a tailored viewing experience that feels almost intuitive. This ensures that viewers always have something engaging to watch. Whether it's a new movie, a trending TV series, or a hidden gem from the past, AI helps us find content that keeps us entertained and engaged. AI is also being used to create entirely new forms of entertainment. From AI-generated music and art to virtual reality experiences that transport us to other worlds, the possibilities are endless. AI is not just a tool for consumption, but a creator in its own right. Imagine interactive stories where the narrative adapts to your choices. These AI-driven narratives can change based on your decisions, making each experience unique and personalized. It's like being the director of your own movie. This level of immersion was once the realm of science fiction. Today, AI makes it possible to create experiences that are not only visually stunning but also deeply interactive, engaging all our senses in ways we never thought possible. Now, it's becoming a reality. As AI continues to evolve, the future of home entertainment looks brighter and more exciting than ever. We are on the cusp of a new era where technology and creativity merge to create experiences that are truly out of this world. Section 6. AI in Transportation, Navigating the Future. Transportation is another sector undergoing a massive transformation thanks to AI. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic concept. They are becoming increasingly common on our roads. AI is also optimizing traffic flow. It is making public transportation more efficient. These advancements promise to reduce congestion and improve safety. Section 7. The ethical implications of advanced AI. As AI becomes more powerful, it is crucial to address the ethical implications. Bias in AI algorithms is a growing concern. This bias can perpetuate existing inequalities. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. This requires ongoing dialogue between technologists, policymakers, and the public. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution. The advancements in AI showcased at CES 2025 were nothing short of remarkable. From self-driving cars that navigate complex urban environments with ease, to AI-powered personal assistants that understand and anticipate our needs, the innovations on display were a testament to human ingenuity and technological progress. These advancements are not just about convenience. They represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with the world around us. AI is poised to reshape our world in profound ways. Imagine cities where traffic flows smoothly thanks to intelligent systems, homes that adapt to our preferences, and workplaces that become more efficient and productive. The integration of AI into various sectors promises to enhance our quality of life, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. But with these advancements come new challenges and responsibilities. From personalized education to proactive healthcare, the possibilities are limitless. In classrooms, AI can tailor learning experiences to individual students, helping them grasp complex concepts at their own pace. In healthcare, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide early diagnoses and personalized treatment plans, potentially saving lives. These applications highlight the transformative potential of AI, but they also underscore the need for ethical considerations and equitable access. As we stand on the cusp of this AI revolution, it is our responsibility to harness its power for good. Collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and communities is essential to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in ways that benefit society as a whole. This means addressing issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the digital divide, ensuring that no one is left behind in this new era of technological advancement. We must ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. By fostering inclusive innovation and promoting ethical standards, we can create a future where AI serves as a force for good, enhancing our lives and empowering communities. The AI revolution is here, and it is up to us to shape it in a way that reflects our shared values and aspirations. Section 9. A call to action, shaping the future of AI. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the role of artificial intelligence in our lives is becoming increasingly significant. The decisions we make today will shape the trajectory of AI for generations to come. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a canvas waiting to be painted with the collective wisdom, creativity, and ethical considerations of humanity. Each one of us has a role to play in this unfolding story. The choices we make, the values we uphold, and the actions we take will determine whether AI becomes a tool for empowerment or a source of division. It is up to us to shape it. Collaboration and inclusivity are key. By bringing together diverse perspectives, we can ensure that AI technologies are designed to benefit everyone, not just a select few. This means actively seeking out and incorporating voices from different backgrounds, cultures, and disciplines. We must engage in informed discussions about the ethical implications of AI. These conversations should not be confined to academic circles or tech companies, but should involve the broader public. Transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations must be at the forefront of AI development. We need to ask ourselves tough questions about privacy, bias, and the potential for misuse. We need to invest in education and research to stay ahead of the curve. This means not only advancing technical knowledge, but also fostering a deep understanding of the societal impacts of AI. Educational institutions, governments, and private sectors must work together to create programs that prepare the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and innovators. By embracing innovation and addressing the challenges, we can create a future where AI empowers us all. This involves continuous learning, adapting to new developments, and being proactive in solving problems as they arise. We must be vigilant and responsive to the evolving landscape of AI, ensuring that it serves the greater good. Let us work together to ensure that AI is a force for good in the world. By fostering a spirit of collaboration, ethical responsibility, and shared vision, we can harness the power of AI to create a better, more equitable future for all. The journey ahead is challenging, but with determination and unity, we can shape a world where AI enhances human potential and well-being.